Hi everyone, welcome to a new video by Original Video Reviews. I'm the OVR guy and today I'll be showing you how I replace a protective cover for my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. It's quite evident that my current phone cover has started showing signs of wear and tear. It's hard to see the screen clearly, and on top of that, the edges have begun to peel off. To start, we'll remove the old cover by gently peeling it away from one of the edges. As you can see, it's a thin elastic plastic layer, just like the new cover we'll be replacing it with. Next up, I'll clean the screen using the provided wipes that usually come with the screen protector. There are typically two wipes included, one wet and one dry. I'll start by using the wet wipe to thoroughly clean the screen. Moving on to the installation of the new protective cover. If you're planning to do it yourself, I suggest purchasing multiple units, just in case something goes wrong during the application process. This way, you won't be left with the ruined cover and no backup. Any additional covers can always be used at a later time. When placing a new cover, it's common to encounter air bubbles. To eliminate them, I'm using a piece of cardboard to flatten out the cover. Ideally, the seller will include one with the package. As you can see, there are still a few air bubbles that I wasn't able to eliminate completely, and the edges of the protective cover still aren't bending quite right. To resolve this issue, we'll need to peel off the white label located at the top of the cover. By the way, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel originalvideoreviews.com, and for more reviews of interesting products, go to my website www.originalvideoreviews.com. I've finished the installation of the new cover, but as you can see, there are still some bubbles, stains and imperfections present. While the result isn't perfect, I'm satisfied with the overall outcome. This is a low-cost protective cover for a very expensive smartphone, and despite some imperfections, the display looks decent and most of the bubbles disappeared after a day of use. One last thing to note about this protective cover is that if you're using the Galaxy S22 Ultra with this type of protective case, place the phone carefully to avoid the edges of the cover from detaching. While there may be better covers out there, and more experienced users may be able to attach it better, for its relatively cheap price compared to mobile stores, this cover provides sufficient protection for the phone at an affordable price.